Okay, YouTubers, this is a simple tutorial. I was having an issue with these holes on these hinges. This door, it was not setting level. It was way out up here at the top, and I had to draw these in, these hinges. I tried to use bigger screws and it wouldn't work. So what I did is I took each one of these out, used simple matches. I just broke the tips off, broke them off, and then jammed the pieces of wood into these holes. And then when I screwed these original screws in, they took in and they bit, and it's working. It drew these hinges back in just by using simple matches. I broke the little red tips off, wedged these in there, and then re-screwed the screws in, and it bit, and it drew these hinges back, and now the door is working properly. All right, just thought that might help someone out.